The next member of the Shifting Gears cast that I want to introduce you to is Carma High. Karma is a dear friend, and oh boy did she bail me out of a jam. You see, in my infinite wisdom, I had scheduled to shoot for a scene without actually filling the role. No worries, she came to the rescue. And if these texts to my wife are any indication, I think she actually was looking forward to it. Let's go ahead and check out the outtakes and see what a great time we had during Karma's scene. Karma played a receptionist at the fictional law firm of Stoffels and Oliver.
Good afternoon, the offices of Stoffels and Oliver. Can I help you?
Stoppers.
You know, Karma actually performed double duty for us. If you look real close, you might see her in the bar scene as well. Karma, thanks again for helping us out on Shifting Gears. Hopefully in the next episode we can get Remy and Jim to join in, and then we can really get all the highs.